Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday morning, June 17th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Stonegate Capital Partners initiates coverage on Cingulate Inc. Stonegate Capital Partners has initiated coverage on Cingulate Inc., ING, highlighting the company's progress towards the commercial launch of its lead ADHD asset, CTX-301. With a focus on leveraging its precision-timed release platform, Cingulate aims to address gaps in ADHD treatment. Positive efficacy results from Phase 3 pediatric and high-dose studies have been announced, showing significant improvements and confirming flexibility in real-world use. The company is on track to submit a new drug application for CTX-1301 in mid-2025, potentially redefining the ADHD treatment paradigm. Cingulate continues to evaluate strategic financing options to support upcoming milestones, with a valuation range of $13.96 to $26.96, according to Stonegate's discounted cash flow model.
BiomX Inc. Breakthrough in treating antibiotic-resistant infections signals potential market shift. BiomX Inc., a biotech company, has made significant progress in treating antibiotic-resistant infections. Their Phase 2 clinical trial results for diabetic foot osteomyelitis and cystic fibrosis show promise, potentially positioning the company as a key player in this urgent medical challenge. Using bacteriophage therapy, BiomX has reduced ulcer size in diabetic foot patients and cleared chronic lung infections in cystic fibrosis patients. With the U.S. Defense Health Agency's funding and Wall Street analysts predicting a potential stock increase of over 3,000%, BiomX's innovative approach could revolutionize infectious disease treatment. As the global antibiotic resistance crisis continues to grow, BiomX's nature-based solution offers hope for a sustainable alternative to traditional antibiotics. With upcoming Phase 2b results and FDA discussions, BiomX is at a crucial juncture, providing not only financial opportunities for investors, but also a beacon of hope for patients worldwide.
CollectionPro revolutionizes out-of-network recovery with legal expertise and no-risk model. CollectionPro Services LLC has revolutionized out-of-network recovery in the healthcare payment environment. Their innovative approach combines legal expertise with a no-risk financial model, allowing providers to effectively recover payments. With a flat 10% contingency model, providers only incur costs if a recovery is made. CollectionPro covers all administrative and arbitration fees up front, removing barriers for providers. They specialize in reviving previously denied OON claims, showcasing their legal insight. With a 92% success rate in over 10,000 arbitration cases, CollectionPro offers providers a decisive advantage. Their transparent communications and full HIPAA compliance enhance their appeal to healthcare facilities nationwide. By leveling the playing field for providers, CollectionPro ensures patients receive high-quality care without unexpected costs, addressing challenges in the healthcare payment ecosystem. Biomed news breaks. HeartBeam Inc., NASDAQ, and AccurKardia join forces to advance remote cardiac monitoring. HeartBeam Inc. partners with AccurKardia to enhance remote cardiac monitoring. By integrating AccurKardia's FDA-cleared Accur ECG software into HeartBeam's 3D ECG device, the collaboration aims to provide automated arrhythmia insights. This combined platform seeks to improve access to cardiac care and speed up diagnosis. The partnership between the two companies will offer real-time, device-agnostic rhythm analysis, empowering patients and physicians to respond faster to cardiac events. Both companies highlight the importance of providing clinical-grade cardiac data outside traditional settings, especially with declining access to cardiology specialists in the U.S.
Updated Guide to Luxury Couples Rehabs Accepting Insurance now available. CouplesRehabGuide.com has updated its resources to include a wide range of luxury couples rehabs that accept insurance, such as Blue Cross Blue Shield. This update addresses the increasing demand for upscale treatment options that maintain privacy, amenities, and evidence-based care, while remaining financially feasible through insurance coverage. The guide simplifies the search for programs tailored to couples' unique needs, ensuring they no longer have to compromise on quality care or affordability. By featuring luxury rehab centers nationwide that accept major insurance providers, the guide expands access to high-quality treatment previously out of reach for many. Specifically, the guide offers insights into couples' rehabs in Georgia, blending modern accommodations with trauma-informed treatment. This shift towards inclusive and accessible addiction treatment signifies progress in supporting couples on their journey to recovery together. GeoVax highlights positive immune response results from GeoCM04S1 in CLL patients at the European Hematology Association 2025 meeting. GeoVax Labs Inc. highlighted positive immune response results from GeoCM04S1 in CLL patients at the 2025 European Hematology Association meeting. The Phase 2 trial showed superior T-cell responses compared to an mRNA vaccine in immunocompromised patients. GeoCM04S1 induced enhanced T-cell responses and activation-induced markers, along with significant SARS-CoV-2 N-specific IgG and T-cell responses. The mRNA vaccine did not meet the primary immunogenicity endpoint, leading to further enrollment restrictions to the GeoCM04S1 arm only. Both vaccines were well tolerated, with no severe adverse events reported. GeoCM04S1, a next-generation COVID-19 vaccine, aims to provide broader and more durable immunity by expressing spike and nucleocapsid proteins. It is currently being evaluated in 3 Phase 2 clinical trials targeting various patient populations, including immunocompromised individuals and healthy adults.
Get OSHA Courses revolutionizes workplace safety training with online OSHA 30 certification. Get OSHA Courses has introduced an innovative online platform for OSHA 30 certification, offering a streamlined and cost-effective method for workers in high-hazard professions to obtain essential safety training. This certification is crucial for workers and supervisors in industries like construction and warehousing, with many states mandating it for various jobs. The platform provides self-paced modules, mobile-friendly access, and immediate certification upon completion, addressing logistical challenges faced by workers and employers. With the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic highlighting the importance of workplace safety, Get OSHA Courses has expanded nationwide to cater to professionals from New York to Texas. Employers and workers can benefit from the platform's compliance-first approach, group discounts, and industry-recognized partners, ensuring legal compliance and fostering safer work environments. Brisa Therapeutics joins Heart of the Big Bend podcast to explore nature's role in mental and emotional wellness. In a recent episode of the Heart of the Big Bend podcast, hosted by Chris Ruggia, Brisa Therapeutics joined the conversation to discuss the connection between mental health and nature. The episode, titled Desert Magic: Mental, Emotional Health, and the Outdoors, delves into how environments like the Big Bend region play a vital role in emotional healing and nervous system regulation. The Brisa team shared insights on topics such as bilateral stimulation in nature, the unique healing properties of the desert, and the neuroscience behind the benefits of being in wide, open spaces. They emphasized how nature can help with emotional regulation and self-connection, making it easier to find inner peace. Whether you're a therapist, nature lover, or someone in need of emotional rejuvenation, this episode offers valuable insights on how reconnecting with the land can lead to reconnecting with oneself. CollectionPro stands out in out-of-network recovery with legal expertise and a no-risk model. CollectionPro Services LLC, based in New York, is a standout in out-of-network recovery, offering legal expertise and a no-risk model for healthcare providers. With a licensed in-house attorney and a 92% success rate in managing over 10,000 arbitration cases, CollectionPro provides a legal-first approach to navigating the No Surprises Act. Their flat 10% contingency model ensures providers pay nothing unless a recovery is made, covering all administrative and arbitration fees up front. Specializing in challenging areas like anesthesia and emergency care, CollectionPro helps providers reclaim revenue and improve financial outcomes without disrupting practice operations.
CouplesRehabGuide.com announces updated resources for luxury couples rehabs that accept insurance for treatment. CouplesRehabGuide.com has updated their resources to highlight luxury rehabilitation centers for couples that accept Blue Cross Blue Shield insurance. The expanded listings feature nationwide possibilities for couples seeking treatment in a private, upscale setting. These updates cater to the growing demand for high-quality care that aligns with health insurance plans. The platform now offers detailed profiles of luxury facilities that accept major insurance providers, including BCBS, to support couples in addiction recovery. With a focus on upscale programs that prioritize privacy and evidence-based care, CouplesRehabGuide.com continues to serve as a trusted resource for couples seeking detox and rehabilitation services. For more information or immediate support, individuals are encouraged to reach out directly by phone. BiomX stock could soar 3,000% as this $10 million biotech cracks the superbug code, Wall Street says. BiomX Inc. has achieved groundbreaking clinical success using viruses to treat antibiotic-resistant infections, with Phase 2 results showing significant improvements in diabetic foot bone infections and cystic fibrosis. The company's approach using bacteriophages instead of antibiotics has garnered military funding and Wall Street attention. Analysts predict potential upside of over 3,000% with a buy rating and price targets of $15 and $16. BiomX anticipates key catalysts in 2026, including Phase 2b results in cystic fibrosis. With validated data, military support, and significant market potential, BiomX offers investors exposure to phage therapy in the fight against antibiotic resistance.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.